we want to know na yung government natin are collaborating para sa ikagaganda ng kanilang constituents o yung pinagsisilbihan nila, no? Which is the public, tayo yon. Pwede tayo magkatulungan bawat isa, no?
It's really the upgraded benefits, lalo na yung mga sa Z package na meron. So, malaking tulong talaga siya.
Hopefully, makatulong tayo. And this is a big help, no? Big help.
With the launching of this Yakap program nga ng PhilHealth ng DOLE, napaka-importante para hindi lang puro trabaho ang iniisip ng mga empleyado.
It's more on prevention, para mas healthy yung mga employees and hindi tayo umabot doon sa malalana.
Na-appreciate ko itong Yakap na program dahil nga binibigyan niya ng importance yung wellness and preventive care na very important talaga sa mga employees natin.
On behalf of the Department of Labor and Employment, I extend my appreciation to PhilHealth at sa ating partners, ang Magsaysay Shipping and Logistics, and all those who made this program possible. May today's activity inspire us to continue working together for the well-being of every Filipino worker. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayo.